Today I'm sharing how to embroider cotton stitch and loose cotton stitch. First, bring the needle up, then poke the needle at a distance you want, and bring the needle up at the previous point. Now wrap the thread on the left finger. Spin it. Push the loose on the needle. Pull it. Repeat again. Now pull the needle. And secure it. The loose cotton stitch, similar to the cotton stitch. First, bring the needle up. The loose cotton stitch need to add another tool. G a straw. Insert it on the needle like this. Then wrap the thread, make same as cotton stitch. After finish the wrapping step, pull the needle and take out the straw. Adjust the stitch to look nice. Finally, secure it. Well done! Please subscribe to Emma's channel now if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.